what's your name and so where do you come from?
My name is Tina, I come from Germany.
Okay, are you ready for your new haircut?
Of course.
Hi guys, nice to see you again. Welcome back to Chris Joker channel. This is the only one and just only one channel that's provide the hairdressing model more than 50 countries from all over the world. On this video, I will show you the technique how to cut the free layer. First, we divide the hairs into 3 sections: back, right, and left. We cut the hair with point cutting technique and bring the hair to in the front. Do layer by layer to create the nice blended. Once the free shape form, and then you correct every single edges of the hair. And then now we start the side to create the side layer. Take some section of the side, cut with point cutting technique and slicing to give the sharp texture of the side layer. This will be the important part of this haircut. Do correctly layer by layer. We can texturizing also with thinning here to give more softer and firm texture of the layer. And in the end of cutting, we cut the fringe with little life up and with a little point cutting of the fringe to give more texture. And in the end of styling the hair, we use the flat iron and curve the edge to see the layer is formed. Anyway guys, if you like this video and for the upcoming video, please click the subscribe button and activate the notification bell, and please don't forget to share, comment and like this video. See you next time.
How do you like your new haircut?
It's really good.
Look at that. Snip, snap,